I know it's early and people ain't up yet. Yeah, y'all know how chewy Raisin Bran is. Now, Tasha K been constantly talking about the trans community. Can't keep the trans community out her mouth or out his mouth. So I'm trying to find out if y'all think we should bring Tasha K, put Tasha K up on the altar. Hey, Javonda. So I got time for it today. Definitely could put it in my schedule. Trying to see if I could do a little evening booking. Trying to see where my people at. See if we want to do an early afternoon booking or an evening booking. But I ain't about to do it right now because I want to do it like a court case. Yeah, I want to put the roll back on, get the gavel out, because we got to have a full unpacking of Mr. K. So, yeah, I think it's a little early. It's a little early, but I want y'all to let me know. Do y'all think that the court of whole ones, as you know, she'd have been involved in so much court, never this kind of court though, because this is the court, this is a spiritual court where we finna speak to the soul. And we finna talk about that soul. We finna talk about that inward being. So, I want to do a poll, and I want to know: do y'all think that we should have Tasha K on trial on the Lay Lem Lay Lur platform? Do you think the nation versus Tasha K? You here for it? I'm gonna start a poll. The nation versus Tasha K. The nation versus Tasha K. Yes or no? Yes or no? Hit that chat. Yes or no? I mean, I'm probably gonna do it regardless, but it is nice to get a consensus. The nation versus Tasha K. Yes or no? Sharonda, baby, I know I got one yes already. But the nation is ready. You know, we've been compiling a case. We've been compiling a case against Mr. K, and we are ready to deliberate on the findings. We ready to have a conversation with Mr. K. You know, we want to subpoena Mr. K and have Mr. K to come in, so that we could have a conversation with Mr. K, because Mr. K, he has really, 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 really been doing a lot. He's been doing the most, and we want to get Mr. K to come in so that we could, just have a conversation with Mr. K about all of the problems that he's been, causing in the community. So, I definitely want to, check in with the nation and see how y'all feel about having a trial for Mr. K. We're gonna have Mr. K to we're gonna subpoena Mr. K. If Mr. K doesn't show, then true to Laylim Layler fashion, we will definitely hold court in his absence. We do not need him to be present for this, but we will definitely be subpoenaing him. We will definitely be, making it known that we would love for him to come on and defend himself. If he is not able at this time to defend himself, then he can send a representative. If he does not have representation available, then the nation will appoint him a public defendant. If he cannot afford it at this time, the nation will, you know, give him counsel. So we just want to know if the nation should bring Mr. K up before the people. This is my check-in. I'm putting this out here today. I'm going to see what the feedback is like. Y'all have a few hours. It's still very early. If I do decide to put Mr. K up on the docket, he will go up on the altar. Excuse me, not the docket. He will go up on the altar maybe about noon. Yeah, maybe noon. So if you are interested in seeing Mr. K be tried today, we're definitely going to see if we can expedite that and see if we could get that to happen today. I got to get in my regalia. I got to get into my robe and get into my zhush. I got to get into my cosmic Kaneen, Judge Kaneen vibe. But I wanted to put some feelers out this rising to see where we were, because I do feel like we need to have a conversation about Mr. K. We've given him a lot of grace on this platform. We've tried to not be confrontational, but it seems that he has no problem endangering trans lives, painting a narrative of trans people that puts trans people in uncomfortable situations. And so now we need to open the floodgates on him, and he needs to be confronted and it needs to be addressed. Don't sit up here and talk about protect black women when you're always trying to get their children attacked. How we gonna care about black women when black women don't care about their children? My God is God today. So y'all let me know in the comment section if y'all want to see a court case for Mr. K. And I'll come back in and check with y'all later and see what it's saying in the comment section.